Just want to show you quickly how easy it is to create a Reiki business card. If you've already got a Canva account, you can log in, or you can open up a free account by clicking on the link below. I already have an account and I'm logged in, so I just go to create a design. I type in here business card, or you'll find templates. I'm just going to use this one. So if I go in here and I put, for instance, Reiki business card, you can see a lot of designs already come up. Again, just for the purpose of showing you this one, I'm just going to bring that one in. So if I want a double-sided card, I can add a back to the card as well. It's ready now. Obviously you would go in and change the name and put your contact details in, etc. I'm not going to do that. And then you just go to share and look for print your design. Select business cards to then just press continue. It's doing a final check, there's no issues, and then you can just check out and pay for the $15 to have your card made. This price may vary depending on where you are in the world. You can also just download a copy and have a look at it, print it out on your own printer and make sure you're happy before you go ahead and order. Okay, but it really is that quick and simple to design and create your own business cards using Canva and the templates that they supply as a starting point, or you can just design completely from scratch on your own. Hope you found this Reiki business tip helpful. If you did, please leave a comment below.